My name is Dr. Ajurunke Oyeniyi from Runkiela. Today, I'll be speaking on 7 healthy habits you need to adopt now. There are so many habits that we have imbibed that we don't feel are injurious to our health. And gradually, people are dying by the day without knowing. One of such habits is taking too much of processed food or junks. We all know that processed foods are not very good for our health. The reason is because some of this processed food that we know, sweet corn, sausage, sauce that had been prepared, some other things, sardine and the likes. Junk foods like maybe burger, like chin chin, like fried chicken or whatever. Some of us are so engulfed in taking things like that, and we don't know that they are not so good to assist us to be healthy individuals. And the reason we have to desist from taking all this, some people will just continue to accumulate fat from all these junk foods without knowing, and little by little they will be having the increase in cholesterol that will create problem for them in the future. I think the best thing is to eat fresh food that will assist us as individuals. This leads us to the second point. Taking plenty of water is very, very important, especially adults and people in their 50s and 60s. In fact, naturally you will not even want to take water, and water is very good for our system. When you take plenty of water, the fluid will lubricate the intestine and you'll be able to pass through even normally without any stress. Plenty of water will remove dehydration and your body will begin to glow without taking any drug or even assisting by painting or doing anything extraordinary. So water is source of life. Is a thing that makes the skin to come out very well. Taking water is very, very well. And I've realized that even in people in age 50 to 60, you won't even get thirsty at all. You will think you are okay, and you will not even run after water or be bothered about taking water. Why don't you start taking water now to assist your system and live a healthy life? The third point is sleeping for a long hour and waking up early. When you sleep at least between 5-6 hours or 8 hours in a day is ideal for an individual to wake up into the next morning and be able to do things without any stress. If you sleep and you don't sleep enough, everything in your system will be upside down. You will not even be all right. When people talk to you, you'll be saying something else. When you need to carry out an assignment, you'll be weak because you have not satisfied the law of nature. And that has to do with sleeping enough to be able to do the next thing the next morning. This brings us to the fourth point, which is making sure that you have to start it now. Start moving outside of your house. Maybe you have a cool place around your vicinity, under a tree, in a shady place. Cool. Sit down alone. Watch nature around you and see the brain will be relaxed, your body will be relaxed, and you'll be able to, breathe in fresh air apart from the one we have in the house. It will help you a great deal when you begin to do that. And by the time you go back inside the house, you are refreshed and better off than when you came out. It's very, very important. This brings us to the fifth point. Make sure that you are not interested in gossiping. At your age, why will you gossip? Gossiping will create unnecessary tension within you. It is not your business to know what A or B or somebody is doing. All right? As long as that does not affect you negatively, you need to mind your business. It's not your business knowing whether X or Y is doing right, as long as you are not the boss. Who makes you to be the judge to assess anybody? The little you know about a person, the better for you. So let that now stop gossiping about people. Don't even be involved at all, because it's not your business. If you do that, you are doing yourself good. We go to the 6th point. That is, don't procrastinate. You don't need to procrastinate because you don't have all the time. What you need to do today, if you keep it to tomorrow, you might not have the opportunity of doing it because you don't have control over your life. And maybe that particular thing you need to do or to have done will be of value to somebody if it had been done at the right time. Time is very, very important. Like people say, time is money. And any time that is wasted, you cannot regain it again. Why don't you do what you're supposed to do at the right time and effectively too? In fact, when you do that, it will gladden your heart that you have done what you're supposed to do. No man-hour is wasted. Think about it. And we go to the 7th point, which is do not lie to anybody. I always tell people around me, if at my age I tell you the truth, will you beat me? Nobody can beat me if I say the truth, because I have overgrown beating by anybody. The worst you can do is just to move away from my side. But then when you say the truth, you are giving your heart rest, because when you tell lies, you will have to look for another lie to cover the first lie. Then you be a super liar. Why will you be a liar, or why do you have to lie to people when you can always say it? Like we always know, truth has no version. Truth is the truth. But when you tell lies, you look for more lies to cover the first lie. So think about saying the truth all the time to give your heart good health and to give your body good. And then it also shows the kind of integrity you have as a human being when you tell the truth. And you can stand tall anywhere, anytime, and people will say, no, if it is that person, I know whatever that person says is the truth. But there are some people that will talk to you, and when they say good morning, you go outside to find out whether it is morning time or evening, because they are known for their lying. Get away from telling lies. Don't be involved at all, because eventually when you tell lies, it's just for a while. The truth will surely come very soon though, and you will look so small and mean in the presence of people who hold you in high esteem. I think we have learned something, and I believe this will help us a great deal if we are able to follow these 7 points already stated to assist us to have a healthy life.